Oh, that sounded so lovely, didn't it? Oh yeah, here we go.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm gonna be doing is making a chicken sub sandwich. The only thing is, I was looking for a Southwest sauce in particular, but I couldn't find one. It was a bit of a rush anyway. But what I'm gonna do is just mix and match with mayo and ketchup, if we've got any left, that is, of course. So yeah, excuse that one. Otherwise, Southwest sauce is the one which is gonna make it taste amazing. But anyhow, make sure you don't go nowhere. Subscribe to the channel, share, comment, like, and all that good stuff. And now we can begin the show. Right guys, to start off with, I've got some pieces of chicken breast already cut up, ready. It's in the baking tray. We're gonna bake these. So what you want to do is you want to marinate it. That's a bit of saffron in there, pinch of salt, some pepper, and you got some paprika as well. Okay. Quite a lot of paprika, if I'm quite honest. Now, you just want to mix it all up. Okay, may not be enough, I don't know, but we'll see. Time will tell. What you want to do is pour it on top. Okay, bit by bit. I've got the oven on, if you can hear that, guys. Okay. Now, I'm going to add a pinch of olive oil. And what you want to do is not use your hands. Get a fork, move it about, wiggle it about. Okay. Just get it all oily, right? Since the oil went there, we'll move everything to that side. Okay. Get that coming, move it over, move it all around, right? Now by putting the oil, will help it rather to keep your chicken moist and not go all dry. Okay, maybe I did use a bit extra chicken, but anyway, I'm just gonna eat it, not a problem. And then just the rest of that, pour it on top. Okay. I'm not going to let any of that saffron go to waste, to be honest with you guys. Right. Let this bad boy go in the oven. Give it about 15-20 minutes, check on it, move it around, we'll be back. Ta-da! Guys, it finally arrived. I got so many people telling me, get a chopping board, don't use that thing, blah blah blah. So here you go. I hope this makes you happy. Right, I've got some Persian pickles and I've got a tomato. What I'm going to do is chop these up half in the middle, okay, and this time I did sharpen my knife so it should cut through the tomato a lot smoother and easier. Right, those are cut. Just put them to a side. And this, all you want to do is quite simply, I'm going to cut it in half actually. I'm not going to mess around. Get rid of that bit. Right. Still see slippery. Cut it in the middle. And you just want to go like that. See, that's the good thing about having a sharp knife, you see. There you are. And the final bit, I suppose. Just be careful with your fingers. Yeah, that. Put those to a side. That goes in the fridge. Right, ladies and gentlemen, next up is making our sauce for the sandwich. So, some ketchup, some mayo, and shake this bad boy up. A bit of, this is French mustard, if it wants to come out. Oh, that sounded so lovely, didn't it? Oh yeah, here we go. There you go. Not too much because this stuff is quite strong, so yeah. Mix it up, give it a little taste. If you fancy a bit more of the other sauce or whatever, mix it, put it in. Bada bing, bada boom. Do as you like, right? We are good. I'm not going to bother mixing anything else into that. Quite happy with it. Leave everything to the side. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is our roasted chicken breast. I'm going to place that there. We're going to keep the oven going, let them chill, cool down a little bit. Meanwhile, get this bad boy again, right? And I'm gonna get a loaf of bread. These are hot dog buns, but whatever, you know. And all you want to do is, oh, it's already a cup, never mind. Happy days. We're just gonna open it like so. I've got some cheddar cheese already. It's supposed to be big square pieces, but it all came apart, so yeah. Can't do much about it. All I'm gonna do now is put this bad boy in the oven. Right. Whilst that's going, just real quick, you want to get some chicken. Let's take YouTube. Okay? And all you want to do is cut it. Okay? Not too big pieces, not too small pieces. Cut it down the middle. What's going on here? Not cooked for a sec. I was about to get worried. It's looking alright, it's looking alright. Yeah. There we go. One more. Job done, ladies and gentlemen. Right, now the show begins. What you want to do is put in some chicken, lovely chicken. We all love a bit of chicken, don't we? Beautiful, beautiful. Put one more in just to be somewhere. Where can I put it? Because it's a small piece of bread, can't really fit much in there. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit tricky. But there you go, that's that. And then you want to top it off by putting in just a couple of those, and then a couple of those. Okay, and now time for the bad boy sauce. Okay, don't be shy with it. Get it going, simply because your bread is dry. Okay, you want that sauce to help you out in terms of moistening your bread and all the other good stuff. Done. Once that's done, what you want to do is don't ask me why the foil looks like this color. It is what it is. I'm just going to place that here, roll it over onto there, quite simply, fold it, on, over, da-da-da-da-do, wrap it up from each side, bada bing bada boom, and chop, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that cut the whole shebang. And that is your chicken sub, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously I'm going to put it in a plate, but that is basically it. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come